Welcome back to another episode of Everyday EDC, guys. My name is Tyler, and today we got a part one of a four-part unboxing. Now, you're going to say, why the hell are you extending the boxings? The boxings or the unboxings? Whichever one. I don't really film my boxings, but I'm extending it because this is full of some awesome knives, and I want to give enough attention to each knife. A. B. I am going to start kind of a shtick with my unboxings. I understand some people don't find it that much fun, so I'm going to start kind of at the end of each unboxing, giving an idea of what the person is in my mind that is currently that person's knife. Does that make sense? That knife's person. Yeah, which person would carry that knife? English is an awesome language. So, my unboxing knife for the day is the Kershaw Launch 10. As I said, I'm going to pull these out at random. I don't know which ones I'm getting my hands on. And some of these, like, I'll know right off the bat. Other ones, I won't really even know what it is. So, bear with that. Second of all, I also know whose knives these are. So when I talk about the person that I imagine carrying each knife, don't, like... Yeah, Ryan, don't take this personally. You know what I mean, dude? It's not a personal situation. Alright. So, first and foremost... Alright, so here is case number one. What do we have behind door number one? We have... I was hoping that this would be number one. Yes. Oh, yes. Am I zoomed in? Like, what the hell's going on here? I was zoomed in ×2. No wonder it was, like, obnoxiously close. So this, ladies and gentlemen, I believe... is the ZT050 or 0560 with awful blade centering, Ryan. Come on, bro. Yep, the ZT0560, and oh my goodness, is this thing a monster? Just an absolute hoss. I thought it was supposed to be, like, insanely longer, and actually, now that you stack them up, it kind of is. It's got, like, by about almost a quarter of an inch. Whoa, wow. Holy smokes. Wow. This is an LMAX steel. Let me get my 0562 out of the way here. This is an LMAX steel. I believe this is riding on bearings. Oh my goodness, dude. Before we even get any further while we're sitting here just shooting the shit. What's going on here? Oh, well, that was easy. Maybe you did tighten it, and then, like, just during shipping it got bad. Yeah, the blade centering is perfect. That's awesome, like, when you tighten them back up and it's just perfect. So I can definitely reverse flick it. I can definitely thumb flick it. I can definitely just flip it. I mean, this thing's cool, and the sound it makes. It sounds so good. That's why I like flipping my 0562. Where's she at? It just sounds so authoritative, right? This thing has that same feel. It's more of a ting at the end. But, yeah, very, very cool. So, I originally thought this had some sort of titanium, but that doesn't feel... I mean, I think this is titanium, but it doesn't feel anything like titanium. It might be... I don't know, man. I'm going to have to look that stuff up. That's pretty cool, though. I don't think that's titanium, dude. Yeah, it might be, because there's... Talking to myself, but right there I see some nicks in it that have, like, a silvery coloring underneath. It's just the texture and how light it is just so crazy. But there's good milling inside of there, so there's milling pockets. This thing is cool. Awesome action. Super fun to play with. Ergonomically, feels really, really good. And it's not that much bigger than the 0562. Now that I'm looking at it and seeing them both, it's not much bigger. And actually, it's probably... It almost feels lighter than the 0562, which is unique. Because it's supposed to be larger. This is a Rick Hinderer design. As I said, it's an LMAX steel. Here's what it shows on the blade. Rick Hinderer. USA, LMAX serial number 0955. As I said, almost perfectly centered once I tightened up the pivot. And just a dream of a knife. This thing is awesome. Absolutely awesome. Feels fantastic in hand. I'm not going to talk much more about it. This is my unboxing, but we have to give an idea of who this knife might belong to. So this knife actually kind of reminds me of, there was a movie, what was it? It was really disgusting. Like, these dudes were just gross. But this one guy carried actually a Spyderco Tenacious in his hand. And he like was stabbing people with it and stuff. And name the movie if you guys know what I'm talking about. But the funniest part about it was the Tenacious in hand does not look like the most vicious of knives. I just don't imagine anybody stabbing somebody with a Tenacious. Like, it just doesn't make sense. But I feel like this should have been the knife that he was carrying. Not because it looks stabby, it just looks kind of more manly, but at the same time, like, it does kind of have like this like look to it, where this guy might carry it around and just imagine himself like that. Or just a construction worker that wears very, very short Daisy Dukes, a white t-shirt with the center rolled up and down through the center, and a hard hat, but no safety glasses or earplugs. That's all I got for you guys today. My name is Tyler. This is an unboxing of the ZT0560. Thank you so much, Ryan, for sending this in. Peace.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. It genuinely means a lot. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe, hit the thumbs up, leave a comment. If you didn't like it, give me some feedback in the comments below and hit the thumbs down button. In case you guys don't know, I do have a Patreon, which will be listed right here. In that Patreon, we're giving bi-monthly giveaways to just the Patreons based on the number of Patreons that we have in the Patreon. We will also be giving discounts on all the knives that I sell based on the number of patrons. My name is Tyler. This is Everyday EDC. You guys stay sharp, stay safe, and have a great day.